Digital products you can create this weekend. What if I told you that by this weekend you could have a product online that makes money for you, with no inventory, no shipping, and no upfront cost? That's the power of digital products. Here's the thing. Most people think starting a business requires huge investment, warehouses, or complicated tech. But digital products break that rule. They're low risk, high reward, and scalable. You create something once, and it can sell forever. Think about it. When you buy an ebook, a template, or an online course, the creator doesn't remake it every time. They built it once, and now it sells on repeat. That's how ordinary people are creating income streams that don't rely on working more hours. So, what digital products can you create this weekend? Let me show you. 1. Ebooks and guides. You don't have to be a best-selling author. If you know how to solve a specific problem, like fitness, personal finance, social media tips, or even cooking hacks, you can put it into a short ebook. Tools like Canva make it simple to design. Upload it to Gumroad or Etsy, and you're in business. 2. Templates, resumes, business planners, budgeting spreadsheets, social media post designs. Templates are some of the hottest-selling digital products. Why? Because people want shortcuts. You create one polished version, and they download it again and again. 3. Online courses. Got a skill? Package it into a mini course. It doesn't need to be Hollywood-level production, just valuable. A screen-recorded tutorial on how to use Excel, edit videos, or even sell on Etsy can make you income for years. Platforms like Teachable or Kajabi do the heavy lifting. 4. Checklists and printables. Think smaller. A simple 30-day fitness tracker or wedding planning checklist can be a digital product that people happily pay a few bucks for. Multiply that by hundreds of downloads, and suddenly you've got steady income. 5. Membership communities. If you can teach, inspire, or motivate, you can build a paid community around your knowledge. People pay monthly for access to exclusive content, Q&As, or networking. That's recurring income. Here's the best part. You don't need to start with everything. Just choose one product idea, create it in a simple tool like Canva, and list it online. You don't need followers to start, you just need to start. And yes, it might only make $10 at first, but that first sale, that's proof of concept. That's when you realize, wait, I made money from something I created once. From there, you refine, you expand, and you grow. Digital products are the definition of smart leverage, one-time effort, unlimited scale, no stock, no shipping, no stress. Action step. This weekend, brainstorm one problem you can solve for people. Make it into the simplest digital product possible. An ebook, template, or checklist. Don't overthink it. Create it. List it. Share it. That's your starting point. Your paycheck pays the bills. Digital products create freedom, and if you start this weekend, your future self will thank you. Follow for step-by-step strategies to turn your ideas into digital income.